Welcome, philosophers. This video is going to be shows one of the reasons why we went to Malta, where we're anticipating Christopher Nolan's Odyssey movie, and Odysseus was captured by the evil goddess Calypso for 7 years on the island of Malta, more specifically Gozo. So we visited 2 sites of caves and the beach where he wept for his family, Telemachus, Penelope, back on the island of Ithaca. We also went to Malta because of Paul's 4th missionary journey. Acts 27 talks about his shipwreck on Malta. And there's 4 possible places where he was shipwrecked. And I'll show you the one that in a later video, when I think it is. But right now, we're just doing a little map so you guys know where Malta is. Most people don't. And these are the different parts of the island of Gozo where we visited. And what we'll have coming up is a GoPro video that was AI'd for us. And here it is. Thanks for watching. We'll have more videos of Ramla Beach and had a great conversation with a local who grew up there and the 2 sites of the caves, Cave of Calypso and Mixta Cave. So we'll see you in a future video.